think it's umbilical cord, I guess.
Is it?
Are you sure? There's another one, Dad?
Didn't it bulge?
I don't know.
I don't know. But yeah.
She screamed with the contraction. I thought I
He's
saw
the
it
midwife.
bulge.
Maybe there's gonna be four. I'm
Unless
sure.
that one got off her butt.
Because she doesn't look super thin.
Yeah, but
Oh, see. Oh, what is that? Oh, my
it's
God.
like an umbilical
Oh
cord.
my God.
It's okay. This looks gross.
Yeah.
She totally was sitting on that one.
I'm sorry, maybe it was a false alarm.
Oh, well, it's nice to film.
Still a
it.
good video.
You heard her scream, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, maybe it's
We
gonna
thought it was a cat biting her butt.
biting her vagina.
I thought it was, I could have sworn it was associated with
This one's
bulging.
nuzzling into the BH. It's not good. He's like trying to go back in.
It's like, that doesn't produce anything but weird juice. We need milk. That's too much. Alright, I'm gonna go look at dinner or food or something.
Okay.
Or heal. Hunger.
There's plenty of fudge.
I know. I had fudge last night and the night before. It makes it very hard for me to sleep.
Really?
He's very sensitive.
Very simple.
Did you lace it with caffeine?